Hello class. We were discussing about the chapter packing, in which the narrator claimed that he is very good in this art. So he took the responsibility of packing the whole stuff on him, and his friends said freely and did not want to participate in that action. So here the narrator is saying that he did not say anything to his friends and started packing. As he closed it, Harris said that he had forgotten to pack the boots. So the writer felt that the Harris could have reminded him before he had closed the bag, but he thought that Harris was like that. This was followed by an irritating kind of the laughter by the George, which made Jerome very angry. First, you are not giving your all stuff at once, and after that you are laughing over it. So that actions of his friends make him anger. Jerome opened the bag to keep the boots in it. As he was about to close it, he was struck by a strange thought that had he kept the toothbrush or not. He says that he never remembers if he has packed the toothbrush or not. Jerome adds that while traveling, he always messes up with carrying his toothbrush. He has a nightmare of not having packed it. As all of you know, the toothbrush is a small thing, but still it is quite compulsory or quite useful. I mean, you cannot start your day without brushing your teeth. So it is one of the thing which you want early in the morning, and if you forget to carry it with you while traveling, so you may face problem. It wakes up in sweat and looks for it in the morning. So he packs it before using it, then unpacks the bag to get the brush and uses it, as it is the last thing that comes out of the bag, and he has repacked the bag. Such kind of the problems he faced while packing the bags. He forgets packing it again. At the last moment, he rushes to his room to get the brush, and finally he wraps it in the handkerchief and carries it to the railway station in his hand. As Jerome was looking for his toothbrush in his bag, he had to remove everything, but he could not find it. He created a mess. For example, if you are having a very small thing, कोई छोटी सी चीज़ है और वो ज़रूरी बहुत है, लेकिन और वो आप बैग में कहीं रख के भूल जाते हैं और आपको जब वो ढूंढनी होती है तो उसके लिए आपको पूरा ही बैग अनपैक करना पड़ता है, तभी जाके वो चीज़ आपके हाथ में आती है, और वो पैकिंग और अनपैकिंग में पूरा मेस क्रिएट हो जाता है, सब उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाता है, सब चीज़ें ख़राब और इधर उधर हो जाती हैं. सो द Jerome found his friends' brushes many times but could not find his own brush. He kept everything back into the bag one by one, shaking each item, checking it, and finally found the brush inside the boot. Then again, one more time, he repacked the bag. So in such way, he has to repack his bag because he forget to pack his brush. Now when Jerome closed the bag, George asked if the soap was there inside or not. Now the Jerome has lose his patience, and he replied that he was not concerned if it was there or not. So it got irritated. I mean, they are not helping him at all, and even though they are commenting over his packing. Then he realized that he had packed his uh, as Jerome was impatient, and he replied very impatiently. So he closed the lid and strapped the bag. Then he realized that he had packed his spectacles in it, and it is hard to open that bag again. Finally, the bag was closed at the time around 10 o'clock in the night, 10 p.m. Then they had to pack the food baskets also, because while traveling you need the food also, and the food should be fresh and pure itself. Harris said that as they were left with less than 12 hours to leave, they should pack the baskets as well. So Harris decided that the food baskets would be packed by him and the George. Now these two friends had decided to pack the food baskets. The other main stuff was packed by the Jerome. So Jerome agreed over it, and agreed to take his turn from for and he as he also want to take some rest while his friends was packing the food baskets.